Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get a circle webcam OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating a circular webcam overlay in OBS involves using a combination of OBS features and external image editing software. And here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open your preferred image editing software. So I choose Adobe Photoshop. Now hit Create. Then choose the 1920 by 1080p. Then let's change the resolution. Then on the background content, choose a transparent background. Now hit Create. And now we have to design a circular overlay that suits your preferences. To do this, hit on the Shape tool, then choose the circle. Now choose the stroke. Then choose your preferred color on the color palette. Ensure that the central area of the image is transparent. And let's move this to the center by clicking Ctrl T and arrange it position. Now let's use the gradient bucket tool and just follow the prompts. Step 2. Save the circular webcam overlay image by clicking the file, then hit Save As. In the PNG, then choose a location on your computer. Step 3. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. Step 4. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section with OBS. Choose Image as the source type. Step 5. Click on Browse and navigate to the location where you save the circular overlay image. Select the image and click OK. Step 6. Resize and reposition the circular overlay image to fit your stream layout. You can do this by clicking on dragging the corners of the image within the OBS preview. Step 7. Add your webcam source by clicking on the plus icon and choosing Video Capture Device. Position the webcam feed within the circular area of the overlay. Step 8. If your circular overlay image has occluded the webcam, then you need to reposition it and the order, so just follow the prompts. Step 9. Review your stream to ensure the circular webcam overlay looks as desired. Make any necessary adjustments to the image source's properties. Step 10. Click on Start Streaming in OBS to initiate your stream with a circular webcam overlay. This method allows you to customize the appearance of your webcam overlay, providing a circular frame for your webcam feed. Adjust the size and positioning according to your preferences and stream layout. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.